Hello everyone. So I'm making this video today. So I was trying to build a shed on the front of my thing here, and I couldn't find anywhere online or just searching where they had the hinges that weren't concealed. So it seems like anyone with a screwdriver could just come along and basically take the door off your shed and just get right into your shed. Well, it didn't seem like super secure to me. I was just curious why there wasn't a video out there where someone had actually concealed their hinges. So this video is to address that issue. So I've got these doors here, right? And what I did was on this back side here, I just routed here a little bit. Just took some off so the hinge fits in there behind the wood. And I did the same on the door here. So this is inset. Then I just basically made a frame and had the doors inside of that frame. So the hinges, flat part is over here, and then the other part's here. So then all I'm going to do is put the siding over the top of the frame here, so it'll cover the hinges. So then there won't be any access to the hinges. We're going to just break into someone's shed with this, Phillips head or flathead screwdriver. So I just wanted to make this video demonstrating that, just because there wasn't one out there that I could find, and I just thought it'd be a little bit more secure. Not that you could really super deter someone if they wanted to get in. They could just, I guess they could just go right through the siding if they wanted to. But this will be basically the same thing. They'll have to go through the siding. So I'm just gonna put the doors on there and see what that looks like after we're done. So anyway, thanks for watching. Okay, bye. Okay, so we're back to the second part of this video. So you can see what I mean now with the siding on the front there, right? Now the hinges are covered, and there's no, I guess you could unscrew all those other screws and take the siding off. But once it's painted and caulked, you're gonna have a hard time finding all those screws. At any rate, I think this is just a simple way to keep those hinges covered, so someone with a screwdriver just can't come along and unscrew 4 easily found screws, or depending on how many hinges you got, let's say 8 to 12 screws to get into your shed. So I hope this helps. If any of you were looking for a video out there, something like I was, to try and hide the screws. I apologize for the bad audio. It's really windy in here, but I guess you guys kind of get the picture, right? So thanks for watching, everyone. Hope that helped you. If you had questions with how to secure your shed a little bit better. So have a great day, everyone.